My lecture will address the ways in which international law, norms and institutions try to address mass atrocity crimes. Mass atrocity crimes challenge the international legal system in multiple ways. Such crimes are often committed in conditions of great political turmoil and violence, where the possibilities for enforcing the law through exercise of coercive power are limited. They are often induced by deep-seated hatred and existential fears, which are incompatible with the rational, civilized, and at times liberal contents of international law norms. And they are committed more often than not with the support of states that regard such crimes as serving at some level their political interests. Such states are likely to resist the application of international law norms and to oppose the exercise of power by international organizations. Therefore, we should be talking about efforts by international lawmakers and international law enforcement to address mass atrocity crimes, some more successful than the others. This lecture will be divided into three parts. The first will introduce briefly the international law framework in which some of the aforementioned efforts take place. The second part will describe one particular branch of international law, international human rights law, which requires states to prevent mass atrocity crimes and to punish their perpetrators. As we shall see, this branch of law suffers from certain shortcomings that limit its effectiveness. It is against this background that the third part will be discussing international criminal law as the principal contemporary response of international law to mass atrocity crimes.